What's the deal, y'all? How y'all doing today? What we eating on today? Today, I just got a notification. Today, on top of it being in my Cameron voice, Taco Tuesday is National Taco Tuesday Day. So we are actually headed to, I forgot the name already. What's the name?
Oh yeah, what's the name? We seen this place on TikTok in Dallas. So we want to try it out for National Taco Tuesday.
Taco City Mas.
Taco City Mas.
Yeah.
You gotta Taco City Mas.
Taco City Mas.
Taco City Mas.
Taco City Mas.
You try it. You try it.
Por favor, believe it.
Por favor.
Anyway,
Como te llamas?
she speaks Spanish.
Mi amlo. Tamara. Okay. Go ahead.
Anyway, we headed there to check out their food. We don't got the gang at school. We got some orders and a few errands we had to run today, but who can do that while they home? My stomach is so hungry.
My stomach is touching my butt.
I'm starving. So we headed there to see what's on their menu.
Absolutely. It's going down. National Taco Tuesday 2022 with Tam Chris Vlogs. Let's get it. Follow us. What it do, y'all? Okay, so we made it to the taco place. Trying to put it up there. Taco City. They are playing music in the inside, so thank you. They are playing music in the inside, so just with the YouTube regulations, we did not want to not have our video be posted. So as you can see, Big Dog over there on the phone, I ain't even in tune. So we're waiting for our food so that way we can do the review for you guys. Live review on in the car. So absolutely stay tuned, stay down. We'll be right back. Let's go. So we had a little change of plans because we didn't want to eat in the car, so we decided to come to our shop to do the review because again the restaurant was playing music and we didn't want no flag with YouTube, so we decided to come back. So we got two
I don't know if I'm pronouncing Birra Taco Plates.
Taco plates.
I hope I'm pronouncing it right.
So this is.
That looks delicious.
Ooh, and it smells hot. That's our sauce, y'all. Wow. So that's what you're supposed to. It smells spicy. We have these little sauces here. I'm not sure what they are, but
I'm gonna use the tongues after this. I know I
right.
heard.
This is very authentic. Ooh. Yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we got the same thing, so y'all can see.
Oh, yeah, we do. We got the same thing. They didn't give us no forks.
Yeah, forks. Who gave us one? Oh, we got a spork.
We got a spork. I decided to give us one. So, sweetheart, grab us some of that hand sanitizer right there. So we could just get some of that. I do like some hand sanitizer on my hands, cause y'all know how I am.
Dang, you're not gonna kiss me because I'm about to eat onions. You gonna kiss me now? I haven't eaten none.
You about
but
to.
After I eat them, you're not gonna kiss me no more.
You about to. You about to, baby. You better to. So, yes, indeed. Y'all, it's about to go down. It's about to go down. So,
I don't even know where to start. We got the
we got
Mexican
the rice, the Mexican rice,
the
and then we got the beans,
and then we got the got the Gucci Mane taco.
I'm definitely feeling that rice and that beans. Definitely good. I do already have a little lime on my taco. So I did sprinkle a little bit. So I am going to
Beans hidden.
dip them in this sauce.
So you just dip it.
You just dip it. Put it up here so they can see it. Yeah, now just dip it in there.
I don't want to make a mess though.
You ain't gonna make a mess. How it taste? It's good. He had to leave out the camera, y'all. He had to go. Where you go? You gotta give the people something. Give them something to deal with. You in love? We've been missing something.
Oh my God. I'm about to go get me another one of these. You gotta dip it all the way in there. You gotta let it drip.
Gotta let it drip.
It's hot.
It's
On the
hot.
curl.
It's spicy.
Hot like. That's why he was smiling so hard. Can you hear me, man? He knew we were gonna like this.
He knew he was gonna like him because he was smelling hard when we was asking about him.
Cuz was cheesing hard.
Cuz was like, oh my goodness, y'all. It gotta be dipped. You gotta dip them.
You gotta let it drip too. I was gonna ask for one of hers, but she gonna eat her 3 of hers.
For sure. Yeah, y'all gotta dip it and y'all gotta do the lime. We went to Taco City in Dallas. Off the chain. Love the way they did them. Not finger licking good. Gotta let that drip. You gotta let it. I'm like him. You gotta let that drip a little bit.
You gotta let it drip. You gotta watch it drip like that. You see that? Drip, drip.
Now let that cheese come back for you. For sure, for sure. I got me a nice cold DP.
I got some water. I ain't finna front. Since she been out of
Like doing a
town.
little dance.
Oh yeah, make me shake my shoulder.
That's how you said. That what you said?
I was messing up when she was out of town. I was stress eating and stress drinking because I missed her so much.
Stress drinking.
Yeah. I was drinking juice, Kool-Aid, Arizonas,
Everything.
everything. I was drinking Red Bulls to stay up. I didn't want to go to sleep without it. So I had to. I had to start
get
over.
back.
Give me some water.
Where
Got some
y'all?
real Dr. Pepper.
You just said talk to people. You gotta start over. Just some water. Just start fresh. Stick to what you saying you want to do. Change it. You said. I'm sorry. You said what?
How you supposed to put the onions on? You don't even need the onions. I'm sorry.
Right. So yeah, I just came back from ATL. When I tell y'all some of the best food in the world resides in the A, no lies told. It's a few places that I went that was just off the chain. I mean, like seriously, off the chain. I think I have a couple of videos, but not a lot. I should have vlogged in ATL, but I didn't. It was a slight business trip, so. I didn't get the opportunity to. But definitely, we will be going back to ATL.
We're gonna run it back.
Yeah, we got to run that back, and we're gonna make that a Uh-oh.
What's going on?
I know. Try to be a hater.
Somebody.
Try to be a hater.
Not today, Satan.
Literally just a phone call. That came through. We didn't record from the camera today, which we should have. Cut from the phone.
Just found the charger.
Don't even get me started, y'all.
Got it.
You doing a lot.
Just what now? That's another conversation. We'll have it another time.
You doing a lot for the people. But we did want to leave some little encouragement today. I know it's I'm gonna get one more dip in my taco. Just one more dip. See, I just did. Just let it drip. Let it.
Got to.
Just let it drip, y'all. Just.
You cannot be afraid to get a little dirty. It's gonna drip. I got some on my shirt. I ain't tripping. Got some on my beard, but it's a flavor saver. You know.
It is a flavor. If y'all get these tacos, make sure they hit y'all with this sauce. It's spicy. It's spicy. But it's that one. It look like it's just made really with the juice from the beef that they cooked. Really. And they added a few flavor savers. Like the beard. The beard. The beard. The beard. Give me a little cilantro on there. This will be good with some pico too. He don't like tomatoes,
I don't like tomatoes.
I can see me getting some.
Damn. I'm about to get another one of these tonight. Are we making them tacos or buying them?
Buying them. I mean, making them.
Shit, is that-
I got a scrimmage. We got it done before the scrimmage. TJ has a football scrimmage tonight. So we're trying to figure out how to make dinner. Get to the scrimmage. Finish our orders at the shop today. Also, we wanted to leave y'all with a little encouragement for some of our seriously dating couples, married couples, or engaged couples. Just wanted to encourage y'all a little bit to keep the faith. You know, keep praying for each other. We had somebody ask us in one of our videos, I forgot which one it was, I'm sorry, because I did want to shout them out, but I am going to go back and find their name. I forgot who they was, but they had asked us in our video how long we had been married, how long we've been knowing each other, and it was one more question. Excuse me, how long we've been married, how long we've been knowing each other, and what keeps us married. I think it was what keeps us married or something like that, but we have been married this year for 8 years. Next year we married for 9 years. But we have been married for 8 years. We got married August the 30th, 2014 was our wedding day. We actually have been dating and relationship-wise since 2007. So almost 15 and a half years. Long time. That we've been together. So what keeps us together is honestly prayer. Prayer. Because prayer. Nah, I'm just playing. Because you started doing that stupid laugh. Prayer and love. Our marriage was built on the foundation of prayer.
And communication. And that's with any relationship. That's with a marriage, a seriously dating, a friendship, your family. Communication is key to a healthy relationship.
Right.
Just like I'm going to communicate with them today and let them know that I'm coming back to get some more of these.
Y'all, my husband would do a scenario for anything. Okay?
And I will.
Okay, it was, okay, do it again.
One time.
Do it again. You hit it out.
And I will. I'm secure. I'm not insecure. I bitch came down one of these and whoop my ass. I'll tell you that. Excuse my language.
What are you talking about? Yeah. Just know, I did want to answer that lovely's question.
Look, Big Daddy made a happy plate. I hope she let me have her last one. I mean, she love me if she do.
I mean, I love him if I don't either. Yes, I do. Still dipping, y'all.
Still dipping on fofos.
He be eating fast. He be eating some stuff too fast.
I think that's why I be getting heartburn too. They don't think I be eating fast.
Don't do that.
But I'm not even finna cap. I give it a 10.10.
No, seriously. Y'all know it's hard for me to give out a 10.
She is harsh.
When I'm doing a review, I'm giving out what it needs to be.
We doing the cookies too.
Oh yeah, and we'll be doing the cookies in the next video.
Crumble cookies.
Y'all, this is a 10. This is a 10. I mean, no, a 9. I'm sorry, but the only reason they get a 9, food is delicious. A 9. $1.75. It's a no-go with me. I thought he's gonna bring me out at least a 20-ounce cup. You know, a cup of Dr. Pepper. But it was this. $4.75. That's the only reason why I took that point.
It should have been 50 cents. No more than 75 cents. I ain't never paid $1.
Not $2, because with the tax it was $2 at that point.
$1 for a can of soda. Nope. But yeah, so like I said, I give it a 10.10.
And remember, keep the faith. Say your prayers. Continue loving on each other.
And share your food. Be nice.
Y'all know what? I'm gonna eat my taco for that. I was gonna give it to him, but I'm gonna eat my taco.
All right, stay tuned. We getting the cookies today, the crumble cookies. And we're gonna do a taste/review on those.
Absolutely. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until later, we'll catch y'all.